You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
I'm looking at these hangers here and I'm thinking to myself, how am I gonna put these in those chickens? Yeah, I know there's a way. I could put two in, interlocking them together. But you know what? I'm thinking, can I do something with this? Yeah. I could keister this end up in. This bottom end would be holding it.
You're watching the Polly Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
That might work. I know y'all probably cannot see it, but there's not enough charcoal. Ran out of the Kingsford and just ran down to the dollar store because I didn't want to drive all the way to a big department store. And what did I find? I found this Flame Glow grilling charcoal briquettes. Cheap stuff, but made in the USA. So there we go. I know it's not real pretty yet, but it will be. And here's the other one. It's a little bit bigger. Garlic on the inside and on the outside. And then I got some black pepper too. Let's get ready for a hanging. I think I will use it, diffuser plate, whatever you want to call it. And let me do that now. And should I scrape that off? Yeah. Am I going to? No. It doesn't bother me. I call it seasoning. That's how it sits in there. I like it because it prevents flare-ups. Set these hangers in here. Now when I did the hanging of the ribs, I didn't get these little things to lock, and they do lock. See? I'm going to do two of them. Locked. Yeah, I didn't lock them last time. My bad. Alright. This is going to work out pretty good, I think. Got it straddled in there. Or does that go down too far? Who knows? We will find out. Alright. Yeah, that should work. Yeah, sweet. Time to close the hatch. Alright, so one of them chickens are kind of like on its side, so what should I do? I'm gonna get another hanger and maybe put it on the top part of that chicken. Let's see if it'll work. Probably not. I have to take it off. That's what I'm gonna have to do. All right, so I got two hooks in there, and while I was doing that, I had a little bit of a Alpha Bravo fire. The fat on that deflector ignited a little bit, and of course the Alpha is charcoal. It just turned into a flame. It's gonna be okay. Not worried one bit. I stoked her down. It's gonna be good. Note to self: yes, always clean off that diffuser plate, because that is what caused the flare up. Thing got a little too hot, and it caught on fire once it got a good amount of oxygen. Now, let me be clear. Even though I had that flare up and everything, I did not camp out here babysitting this thing. These things are pretty much fire and forget, like a torpedo in the U.S. Navy ship. Once fired, it's on its way. Yeah, but I was out in the front yard cutting the grass while this thing was cooking. How cool is that?
What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Get merged. What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Get merged.
I'm gonna pull up with one of these little things and I want to break that dish. Let's see if I can do this one. I got like 3 hooks in it. Oh, you're a champion. All right, there is the drumstick with the thigh. Let's give it a try. Very nice. I like hanging foods inside of that cooker. My next smoke is going to be in the Grand Champ though. But my next video will be pizza in the Paulie Detmer's pizza oven. Homemade pizza oven. Thank you for watching.